Less than P class equals data end equals 200 data start equals 71 greater than. Let's talk about what's going on with Target, that is TGT stock. And frankly, it's a storm the company didn't see coming in full force. Less than P class equals data end equals 504 data start equals 202 greater than Target is facing a growing set of challenges, and the numbers are showing it. The retailer just reported a 3.8% decline in same-store sales last quarter. That's a big deal. What's driving this? A mix of political backlash, economic uncertainty, and international policy shifts, all converging at once. Less than P class equals data end equals 1093 data start equals 506 greater than. One of the key triggers here is the company's controversial decision earlier this year to scale back its diversity, equity, and inclusion, that is DEI, initiatives. This change sparked intense backlash, especially among the progressive customer base that has long supported the brand. Online protests, boycotts during Lent, led by prominent voices like Reverend Jamal Bryant, and public criticism from even descendants of Target's founders have taken a real toll on customer loyalty. For a brand that built its image around inclusion and social progress, this rollback was seen by many as a betrayal. Less than P class equals data end equals 1278, data start equals 1095 greater than. And the fallout wasn't just social, it was financial. Fewer people are shopping at Target, and those who do are spending less. That's not the kind of trend any retailer wants to see. Less than P class equals data end equals 1835. Data start equals 1280, greater than. But the DEI issue isn't the only storm cloud. With Donald Trump back in the presidency and tariffs making a return, companies like Target, which sources nearly half of its products from overseas, including a significant chunk from China, are facing higher costs. CEO Bruyne has been candid about it, warning investors about the massive potential costs from these tariffs. The company may need to raise prices, cut product lines, or find new suppliers. That's not an easy pivot, especially with consumer confidence down for 5 straight months. Less than P class equals data end equals 215, data start equals 1837 greater than. To try to steer the ship, Target is reorganizing internally, setting up a new enterprise acceleration office, and shaking up its leadership team. But Wall Street isn't impressed yet. Shares fell 7% in pre-market trading after the earnings report. And over the past year, Target stock is down a jaw-dropping 37%. Less than PEP class equals data end equals 2469. Data start equals 2152. Greater than. Cornell tried to reassure staff in an internal email, saying that despite the noise, Target's culture and values remain strong. He emphasized that, "We are still the Target you know and believe in," but that message may ring hollow for customers and employees who feel the company has strayed from its core principles. Less than P class equals data end equals 2784. Data start equals 2471, greater than. The bottom line? Target is caught in a difficult position. It's battling cultural controversy, economic pressure, and political turbulence all at once. The decisions it makes in the coming months, from pricing strategies to brand messaging, will determine whether it can regain trust and stabilize its business. Less than P class equals data end equals 2918. Data start equals 2786, greater than. Investors and customers alike are watching closely. And right now, it's clear. Target has a lot of work to do to turn things around. Stay subscribed for more videos.